Pigeon. Pigeon means kabutar. Parrot. Parrot means tota. Peacock. Peacock means more. Owl. Owl means Zulu. Sparrow. Sparrow means goraiya. Duck. Duck means battak. Cock. Cock means murga. Swan. Swan means hans. Eagle. Eagle means garud. Crow. Crow means kawa. Vulture. Vulture means gidh.